Power, performance, capability, and capacity allow you to take this on new adventures. Take a look at this 2024 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited Rubicon 392 Final Edition in Tuscadero Pearl, hood with air intake scoop, 392 suspension, 35-inch tires, blind spot and cross path detection, wheel flare extensions, tow package, heated front seats, 15,000 miles on the odometer, 12.3-inch touchscreen, navigation, select track full-time four-wheel drive system, ALPINE premium audio system, fold-out table by Mopar, 6.4-liter V8 HEMI engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number 10804A.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.